Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic human female reproductive system for 10th class, and this is very important question. This question can become in different way. It can become either you have to draw the diagram, and when you will draw the diagram you have to draw in that way, and the next it can become either by descriptive way. So this is the method to draw the human female reproductive system, and very simple to draw. Here you will draw finger like projections like that. So how you will label them? This is the region oviduct, or oviduct other name we can say this is fallopian tube, and we have a pair of ovary. Here also ovary, and this is which part? This will be the uterus part. Human female reproductive system. How the question will become, or how can we explain this topic? So in human female we have a pair of ovaries. And what is the function of ovary? They will produce the female gamete, that is ova or egg, and inside this one more production of hormone is also going on, that is known as estrogen or oestrogen. So it will produce egg and estrogen. Estrogen is the hormone name, egg will be the female gamete. Female gamete egg. Then estrogen, it is the hormone, and they have role also. They are present in ovary, pear-shaped structures. When after getting the puberty stage in human female, these ovary will mature and they produce the egg or ova. This egg or ova will be received by the fallopian tube. Up to this is the fallopian tube, or we can say this is oviduct. If there is the case of fertilization during sexual intercourse, the female gamete will fuse with the male gamete which is coming here, that will be sperm. During sexual intercourse, sperm will go there, and already ovary produce what? Ova, and the process when ovary produce ova, that is known as ovulation. After ovulation, the female gamete will enter or travel in the fallopian tube. It will wait here for some time. If during sexual intercourse sperm will enter here and fertilization takes place, then it will convert into embryo. Zygote, after division, will convert into embryo. This embryo will attach to the uterus wall. These are the uterus wall here. Actually there are three walls of uterus. We are saying them uterine wall also. So embryo convert into fetus and it will attach here, it will embedded here. If there is fertilization takes place, if there is no fertilization takes place, then what will be the fate of ova? Same procedure will be there. Ovary during menstruation cycle, it will produce egg or ova. It will received by fallopian tube. It will wait here during fallopian tube. If there is no fertilization, then it will reach to the uterus, and along with the uterine wall it will rupture. Egg भी टूट जाता है और uterus की wall भी break होगी, and together they will break and flow from the female reproductive system, that is known as menstruation cycle. MC will flow if there is no fertilization, and if there is fertilization, the gamete will fuse with the male gamete and form zygote, then embryo, and embryo convert into fetus, and fetus will embed into the uterine wall. This will be the process. So the question will be what? Define the term ovulation. Ovulation is the process in which the ovary will release the ova. What is the function of ovary? They will release female gamete or estrogen. What is the function or role of fallopian tube? They provide a passage for female gamete to travel. They receive the female gamete. They provide a site for fertilization. So this can be for labeling like that. What is this A? What is this B? What is this C? Like that. or what will be the future of egg if it is fertilized? How can you write? If the fertilization takes place, the egg will convert into zygote and later into embryo, then fetus. If there is no fertilization, that condition, it will flow or rupture along with the uterine wall. दोनों ही टूट जाएंगे, एग भी और यूट्रस की वॉल भी, और ब्लड की फॉर्म में बॉडी से रिलीज हो जाता है. इट विल रिपीट आफ्टर एवरी 28 और 30 days in human female system. Before the pause stage, proper stage is there. Pause stage means when MC will stop. So I hope you understand the question. This is very important question as compared to male reproductive system in 10th class. This is female reproductive system. Each part function, the board is asking what is the function of uterus, ovary, fallopian tube or oviduct. It can become either you have to draw and explain, or maybe they can ask label any two parts and mention their function. I hope you understand the question. So for you I am leaving a question. You have to comment me that where is fertilization takes place in female reproductive system. If you know this answer, then you give me the feedback. Thank you.